Hey, it's Angel with Wildflower Crossing. Hey, I wanted to let you guys know about a fantastic new promotion that's going on here at Wildflower Crossing. It is called A New Home for the Holidays. Swing by, walk through this baby, and fall in love and just see yourself here for the holidays. We have a dedicated dining room here. We have 2 living rooms in this home. One over here, and we have another over here. I can see it. I can see the beautiful Christmas tree right in front of this window. Thanksgiving dinner served in here. The New Year's Eve party over here. Celebrate, have game night. Lots of room for it all. I can see it happening. And we also got notification that this home was for purchase only, but we were able to get a rental option. So you can actually rent this home out for a 12-month lease as well. This over here, this is the primary bedroom with the bathroom connected and a walk-in closet. And then 3 additional bedrooms and a bathroom are located on the other end of the house. So it is a split floor plan. But guys, this home for the holidays special is phenomenal. It's a down payment special. So this home has a down payment of $2,999 if you want to purchase this home. And then monthly payments of around $1,480. So that's if you finance through First Choice. That is not a requirement, but that's just the partner that I know of what the payment will be. But yeah, come on down, take a look, see if you can see it yourself. I can definitely see this lived in with your furniture and your decorations and just all the hustle and bustle of the home. This is gonna be somebody's fortress, and I am super excited to be the one to help make that happen. So just give me a call if you wanna set an appointment to swing by and walk through on your own. I'm happy to show you around. The phone number is going to be 517-769-4365. And you can also text that number. So you can text or call me to set up that appointment anytime. Just call or text, and then I will get with you and we will figure out a time that works for everybody for you to swing by, take a look at this home, apply for it, and then get moved in. You know, the sooner the better, so you can be all settled and ready for the holidays to come around. We are going to be starting a new year here pretty quick. 2024 is on its way, and it's going to be amazing in here. So how about we get a new home, get us all squared away so we can have 2024 coming in with comfort and a brand new home. All right, guys, so give me a call, text me, or swing by. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.